welcome back again to this channel, and for tonight's video, we are all excited to see the official music video of Shaggy D. Everyone is so excited to this. Oh my gosh! Teaser pa lang, parang di ko nakakayanin, pero sana kayanin ko. Ang OA na naman natin. Hindi talaga nawala ang pagka-OA. But before I start, I just want to say thank you to all. To those blooms na natimbog yung personal accounts ko. Bakit? Paano nyo nahanap yun? I'm not even promoting this channel on my personal accounts, but there you are. But thank you so much for subscribing and for supporting this channel. Basta, masaya ako. Masaya ang puso ko. Every Beanie stuff. At mga music video and everything. Basta all about Beanie. Ang dami ko na namang daldal. Eto na, simulan na natin to. Let's go! Girls, kita-kit sa skater park. Okay. Alright. Maglalaro lang daw sila. Let's go! Oh my gosh, Aya. It's Malay. Okay. Oh yeah? Let's go. Oh my gosh. Hey. Yes, Colette? Juma dance. Sumayaw na lang tayo. Where's this place? Ang ganda. Sa ilalim ng tulay. Let's go, Mika Lim. Let's go, Master Jo. Juliet hanggang mag-violet. Ang dalal ko, sorry. Hey, Gwenny. Rotate. Sabi ko na hindi ko ayanin yung si Maloy eh. Let's go! Wow! Kayanin mo. Let's go, Stacy! Wow! Mika Lim yan. Oh my gosh. Come on. Let's see your dance. Ang saya. Hey, of course, the dance break. Break dance. Ay, ang mixi nyo. Ang ganda ni Shi. Grabe. That's it? May bloopers ba? Or anything? Okay. I guess that's it. Wow. Wow. So, grabe. Nagle-level up na talaga yung walo natin. I'm so proud of you. Ang galing nila. Ang ganda. Yung outfits, my goodness, come on. Sobrang ganda ng outfits nila. Tapos, of course, the arts, yung background nila, yung place. So perfect for this music video. And, yun na. Uulitin ko siya, pero syempre, ako na lang yun. Tama na kayo. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. And, see you on my next reaction video. Bye!